You can unleash your potential to get whatever you want, because the power to transform your life lies within you. If you want to know how, stay until the end. Only a few achieve it, but not because they can't, but because they lack perseverance. Show that you can. This video is going to blow your mind as we explore how to transform obstacles into opportunities and unleash your true potential. You have the power within you to change, to transform your life. This power is not something external, but something that resides deep within your soul, waiting to be awakened. It's time to unleash your potential, to break free from the chains that hold you back and to step into the greatness that you are destined for. We all have dreams. We all have goals. These dreams and goals are the driving forces that propel us forward, giving our lives purpose and meaning. But sometimes, life gets in the way. Obstacles arise, we face challenges. These challenges can seem insurmountable, casting shadows over our aspirations. It's easy to feel stuck, to feel like giving up. The weight of these obstacles can be overwhelming, making us question our abilities and our worth. But what if I told you that those obstacles, those challenges are actually opportunities? Opportunities in disguise, waiting to be uncovered and transformed, opportunities for growth, for learning, for becoming the best version of yourself. Each challenge you face is a stepping stone towards your personal evolution. You see, it's not about avoiding obstacles. It's about facing them head-on with courage and determination. It's about learning how to overcome them. Each obstacle is a lesson, a chance to develop new skills and strengths. It's about transforming those challenges into stepping stones on your path to success. Every challenge conquered is a victory that brings you closer to your goals. Throughout history, countless individuals have faced adversity head-on and emerged stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Their stories are a testament to the power of perseverance and the human spirit. They didn't let their circumstances define them. Instead, they used their challenges as fuel to ignite their inner fire. They rose above their challenges and achieved extraordinary things. And you can too. Remember, the power to change, to transform, and to achieve greatness lies within you. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it guide you to your destiny. Chapter 1. How to unleash your potential. Step into your greatness. The key to an extraordinary life is already inside you. You have a unique set of talents, skills, and experiences. You have something special to offer the world. It's time to tap into that potential and create a life you love. A life filled with purpose, passion, and fulfillment. The first step is to believe in yourself. Believe that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Believe that you have the power to overcome any obstacle and achieve your dreams. Once you believe in yourself, anything is possible. This journey is about taking control of your life. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and goals. It's about stepping outside of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. Everything changes when you raise your standards. Think about it. What are you willing to tolerate in your life? What are you no longer willing to accept? When you set higher standards for yourself, you demand more from yourself. You refuse to settle for mediocrity. You strive for excellence in everything you do. It's about pushing yourself beyond your perceived limitations and reaching for something greater. Imagine a life where you no longer settle for less than you deserve. This isn't about being arrogant or entitled. It's about recognizing your worth and refusing to settle for anything less than what you deserve. When you raise your standards, you elevate every area of your life. For many of us, our beliefs hold us back. We tell ourselves we're not good enough, smart enough, or talented enough to achieve our dreams. These limiting beliefs are like invisible barriers that prevent us from reaching our full potential. But here's the truth. Those beliefs are often just thoughts. They're not based in reality. You can choose to challenge those limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Start by identifying the negative beliefs that are holding you back. Write them down, examine them, and then challenge their validity. Are those beliefs really true? Or are they simply stories you've been telling yourself? Once you identify and challenge your limiting beliefs, you can start to replace them with empowering ones. The power of role models. Look around you. History is filled with incredible individuals who dared to dream big and achieve the seemingly impossible. Think about Mahatma Gandhi, a man who led a non-violent movement that brought an empire to its knees. Or consider Martin Luther King Jr., a visionary leader who fought tirelessly for equality and justice. These individuals didn't let their circumstances define them. They had a vision, they believed in themselves, and they took action. They are powerful reminders that anything is possible when you have unwavering belief, and the courage to act. Surround yourself with the stories of those who have gone before you and achieved greatness. Chapter 2. As inside, so outside. Mastering your emotions. They can lift us up or drag us down. They can fuel our passions or sabotage our dreams. The key is to learn how to master your emotions, not be ruled by them. Think of it this way. You are the captain of your ship. Your emotions are the winds and waves. They can be powerful forces, but you have the power to navigate them. When you master your emotions, you gain control of your life. You learn how to respond to challenges with grace and resilience. You learn how to channel your emotions in positive and productive ways. Start by becoming aware of your emotional patterns. Notice how you react to different situations. The power of physical well-being. Your physical body is your temple. It's the vessel that carries you through life. When you take care of your physical health, you're not just improving how you look, you're improving how you feel. You have more energy, you're more focused, and you're better equipped to handle stress. It's about nourishing your body with healthy foods, moving your body regularly, and getting enough rest. These simple habits can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. When you feel good physically, you feel good mentally and emotionally. It's all connected. So make a commitment to prioritize your physical health. You won't regret it. Nurturing your connections. We are social creatures. We thrive on connection, on belonging, on love. Relationships are the foundation of a happy and fulfilling life. They provide us with support, encouragement, and a sense of belonging. Nurturing your relationships is essential for your well-being. Make time for the people who matter most. Listen to them, support them, be there for them, and don't be afraid to be vulnerable and let them be there for you. Strong relationships bring joy, love, and laughter into our lives. They remind us that we're not alone, that we have people we can count on. So, cherish your connections, invest in them, and watch your life blossom. Chapter 3. Mind, Soul, and Money. Mastering your finances. Let's talk about money. It's a topic that often carries a lot of weight, a lot of emotion. Many people believe that having more money will solve all their problems. But the truth is, money is simply a tool. It's what you do with it that matters. It's about understanding your relationship with money, your beliefs about wealth, and learning how to manage your finances effectively. Start by examining your beliefs about money. Do you believe that money is scarce? Do you believe that wealthy people are greedy? These beliefs can sabotage your financial success. It's time to challenge those limiting beliefs and adopt a more empowering mindset. Beyond material wealth. In our journey through life, we often find ourselves chasing after material possessions, believing that they will bring us happiness and fulfillment. True wealth is about more than just money. It's about the richness of experiences, the depth of our relationships, and the joy we find in everyday moments. It's about living a life of purpose, passion, and fulfillment. Engaging in activities that bring us joy and satisfaction, and connecting with others on a deeper level. It's about having the freedom to pursue your dreams, to make a difference in the world, and to live a life that matters. This freedom allows us to explore our passions and contribute to causes we care about. This requires a shift in perspective. We need to look beyond the immediate gratification of material wealth and focus on long-term fulfillment. It's about recognizing that money is a tool that can help you create the life you desire, but it's not the end goal. Money can provide opportunities, but it should not define our worth or dictate our happiness. When you focus on living a life of purpose, money often follows. Financial success becomes a byproduct of pursuing your passions and staying true to your values. It's about aligning your actions with your values and using your resources to make a positive impact on the world. By doing so, we not only enrich our own lives, but also contribute to the well-being of others. When you live a life of purpose, you attract abundance in all areas of your life. This abundance is not just financial, but also emotional, spiritual, and relational, leading to a truly fulfilling existence. From deficit to abundance. Many people live in a state of financial scarcity. They're constantly worried about money, they're living paycheck to paycheck, and they feel like they're drowning in debt. This scarcity mindset creates a vicious cycle. It attracts more scarcity. But it's possible to break free from this cycle and step into a state of abundance. It starts with changing your mindset. Instead of focusing on what you lack, focus on what you have. Be grateful for what you have, no matter how small it may seem. Gratitude shifts your energy and opens you up to receiving more abundance. The power of goal setting. Imagine standing at the foot of a mountain, its peak shrouded in mist. That peak is your dream, your aspiration. But without a clear path, you're left wandering aimlessly. This is where goals become your compass, guiding you towards your summit. Goals provide direction and purpose. They give you a target to aim for, a reason to push beyond your comfort zone. When you set goals, you're no longer just drifting through life, you're actively shaping your future. But not all goals are created equal. To unlock their true power, your goals must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These SMART goals provide a framework for action, a roadmap to success. Decisive action, the catalyst for change. A goal without action is just a wish. It's the courage to take that first step, and then the next, that transforms dreams into reality. It's about making a decision, a commitment to move forward, even if it's just one small step at a time. This is where many falter. They hesitate, they procrastinate, they let fear paralyze them. But action, even imperfect action, is the antidote to fear. It's the spark that ignites momentum, propelling you towards your goals. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So, don't wait for the perfect moment, create it. Take that first step, and then another, and watch as the path unfolds before you. Long-term dedication. The path to lasting transformation. Transformation is not a destination, it's a journey. It's a continuous process of growth, of learning, of evolving into the best version of yourself. And like any journey worth taking, it requires dedication, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in yourself. There will be challenges along the way, setbacks and obstacles that test your resolve. But it's in those moments when you're tempted to give up that your commitment is truly tested. Remember, every challenge you overcome, every obstacle you navigate strengthens your resolve and brings you one step closer to your ultimate goal. So, embrace the journey, stay committed to your vision, and never lose sight of the transformative power of long-term dedication. Chapter 4, All Talk and No Action. Your journey begins now. The dawn of a new day symbolizes the start of your incredible journey. You've heard the call to action, a whisper that has now become a roar, urging you to step forward. You've glimpsed the potential that lies dormant within you, waiting to be unleashed. This potential is a powerful force, a spark that can ignite a transformation. But knowing is not enough. Awareness is merely the first step. It's the action that follows that truly counts. It's time to take action. Lace up your shoes, both literally and metaphorically, and prepare to embark on this path. It's time to transform your life. Each step you take is a step towards a new chapter filled with endless possibilities. Remember, this journey is not about perfection, it's about progress. Embrace your imperfections and learn from your mistakes. It's about taking small steps every day consistently that move you closer to your goals. Each small step is a victory in itself. Start by identifying one area of your life you want to improve. Focus on that area and set a clear, achievable goal. Write down your goal and then break it down into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the journey less daunting and more achievable. Celebrate each milestone along the way. Every small achievement is a step closer to your ultimate goal. And remember, you are not alone. There are others on similar journeys, and together, you can support and uplift each other. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you and your vision. Their encouragement can be a powerful motivator. Seek out mentors, coaches, or accountability partners who can guide you and keep you on track. Their experience and wisdom can be invaluable on your journey. As you stand at the edge of this new beginning, look out at the horizon and envision the future you desire. The journey may be long, but every step you take brings you closer to that vision. Take a deep breath, gather your courage, and step forward with confidence. Your journey begins now, and the possibilities are endless. Join the movement. Imagine a world where everyone lives a life filled with purpose, passion, and fulfillment. A world where people embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and strive to make a positive impact. This is the vision we share. This is the movement we're building. And we invite you to join us. Be a part of a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to personal growth and making a difference in the world. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positive change that transforms not only our own lives, but also the lives of those around us. Let's inspire and empower each other to live extraordinary lives. The next step awaits. This is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore, so much more to learn. The journey of personal growth is ongoing. It's a lifelong pursuit of becoming the best version of yourself. So, what's next? Continue your journey by diving deeper into the resources available to you. Explore the links below to access additional videos, articles, and tools that will support you on your path to transformation. Remember, the power to change your life lies within you. Embrace it, unleash your potential, and create a life you love. The journey starts now.